Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey that celebrates the profound impact of good recipes on healthy pregnancy. Pregnancy is a remarkable and transformative period in a woman's life, where the choices she makes can significantly influence both her well-being and the development of her baby. In this special episode, we will dive deep into the world of pregnancy nutrition and explore how the right recipes can be a game changer. These recipes go beyond taste. They are carefully crafted to ensure that every bite nurtures and sustains. Importance of prenatal care. Before you jump into the recipes, let's quickly talk about the importance of prenatal care. Taking care of yourself during pregnancy is essential for both you and your baby's well-being. Prenatal care ensures a healthy pregnancy and can help prevent complications. And what better way to do it than with some delicious recipes? Recipe 1. Superfood Smoothie. Our first recipe is the Superfood Smoothie. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for your baby's development. To make it, you need Recipe 2. Quinoa Salad. Next up is the Quinoa Salad. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and nutrients. Let's see how to prepare this nutritious dish. Recipe 3. Avocado Toast. Avocado lovers, this one's for you. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and folate. Here's how you can make a delicious avocado toast for a healthy snack or breakfast. Recipe 4. Spinach and Feta stuffed chicken breast. Moving on to our next recipe, we have spinach and Feta stuffed chicken breast. This dish is a great source of protein and calcium. Let's learn how to prepare it. Recipe 5. Berry blast chia pudding. If you're craving something sweet, our berry blast chia pudding is perfect. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Let's see how to create this delicious and healthy dessert. Recipe 6. Sweet potato and black bean tacos. Who doesn't love tacos? Our sweet potato and black bean tacos are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and fiber. Let's get cooking. Recipe 7. Salmon and Asparagus foil pack. Time for some omega-3 fatty acids. Our salmon and asparagus foil pack is a great choice for a healthy and balanced diet. Let's see how it's done. Recipe 8. Broccoli and cheese-topped sweet potatoes. Here's a yummy recipe that combines the goodness of broccoli and sweet potatoes. Our broccoli and cheese-topped sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Let's cook it together. Recipe 9. Greek yogurt Parfait. For a quick and healthy snack, our Greek yogurt Parfait is the way to go. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics. Let's make this delightful treat. Recipe 10. Green smoothie bowl. We have reached the last recipe on our list. The green smoothie bowl is full of greens and nutrients, making it perfect choice for a successful pregnancy. Let's see how it's done. Recipe 11. Almond butter and banana sandwich. If you're looking for a satisfying and quick meal, our almond butter and banana sandwich is perfect. Almond butter provides healthy fats and protein, while bananas offer a potassium boost. Let's create this wholesome delight. Recipe 12. Lentil soup. Soup lovers, this one's for you. Lentil soup is not only hearty, but also packed with iron and fiber. Let's see how to prepare this comforting dish. Perfect for chilly days during pregnancy. Recipe 13. Spinach and mushroom omelette. Start your day with a spinach and mushroom omelette. It's an excellent source of protein and iron. Let's whip up this nutritious and delicious breakfast. Recipe 14. Recipe 14. Zucchini noodles with pesto. For a low-carb, high-nutrient option, try zucchini noodles with pesto. Zucchinis are rich in vitamins and minerals, and the homemade pesto adds a burst of flavor. Let's explore this guilt-free option. Recipe 15. Mixed berry sorbet. For a delightful dessert that's both sweet and refreshing, we present mixed berry sorbet. It's a healthy treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without added sugars. Let's whip up this cool and fruity dessert. And there you have it, folks, our top 15 prenatal care recipes for a successful pregnancy journey. Remember, eating well during pregnancy is crucial for your baby's development and your own health.